First thing you do when you wake up?
Pray.
Me too. Your favorite part of your house?
My bedroom.
Why?
Diyos ko, doon ang relax mode ko po eh.
Nandun na.
Andun na.
Lahat.
Yes, pati collection andun.
Wow, Iron Man.
Yes po.
Your biggest influence in your life?
My grandmother.
Why?
Because I grew up with her when I was in a year. Kumbaga after my experience po with my grandma, everything changed. I became more mature, learned how to prioritize things, and kumbaga, ano po, parang made a better version of myself.
Makalola.
Makalola. Lola's boy po.
Sexiest part
Uy!
of a woman's body?
Of a woman's body. Siyempre, ako back eh.
Yan, no?
Likod po.
Likod. Isang part ng likod. Up, down.
Yung ano niya, yung from
The crook of the
spine.
back.
The crook
Ito,
of the
the-
back. It's spine. Pag malalim yun, that's
Why, oh why?
sexy po eh.
Sexy.
Kasi
Yung
that's-
makakasabi niya ng sexy ulitin mo.
Sexy po eh. Kasi that's the first thing you touch when you hug her. The back.
Okay. Eh, part of your body naman
Uy!
that you are proud of.
Ay, biceps po. Pinaghirapan.
Biceps, yan na.
Pinaghirapan ko po yan. Araw-araw sa gym.
Sayang nakasuit eh.
Yes po, eh.
Pero nakikita namin yan sa TV. Yung
Yes
biceps
po.
na yan. No! Di ba? Mga nila sa biceps ni Alden.
Grabe,
Ako!
grabe.
Celebrity or personality you look up to?
Ding Dong Dantes. And John Lloyd Cruz. Yes.
Why? May ask. Why?
Kumbaga, both very talented, very professional, and when I met them, sobrang, kumbaga, they don't feel overpowering, regardless of the position that they have in the industry. So nakaka-inspire po to be like them.
Malay mo, movie, no?
Sana
Maybe
po.
gawin siya.